experiencing a deeper intimacy with the divine within. This is 996 today. It's a portal. It's a stargate where we're given most incredible opportunity to experience the connectedness with the divine within. Everything is turning backwards. Times goes in. Hello, my sweethearts. This is powerful moment of recognition, to recognize, to finally see that everything that we have been searching for, looking for, desiring, longing, begging for, it has been always within. And through the gazing with another person, if you gaze in another person's eyes long, if you open to that moment, to a stranger or to a loved one, and you open, you're gonna see your own soul reflection. And this is the journey through others. We are coming here to experience the self. Because the soul has been lured, it's been tricked in a way to come in this body and experience something. And through each and every experience, emotion, a person, challenge, through all these dots, we have been given opportunity to see our own magnificent sovereign being. Can you stay? Can you hold your light in the midst of darkness? Can you withstand the horror, the tribulation, and still shine? Can you dare bring out the light in moments of darkness? This is what we came here for, to illuminate. And everything that we consider darkness, it's unconscious, and all it needs to be brought in the light of our own being. So one by one, dot by dot, human by human, soul by soul, we've been coming online, illuminating first our own being, illuminating our own path. And through the Da Vinci spiral, you can see finally and recognize where have you been and why this happened to you. Because nothing has happened to you. You happened. And everything is from you to you. It's not something outside that comes to you, but it's the design of the soul, the blueprint of your soul that came here. And today it's a moment of celebration, completion, integration. It's a very sacred, it's the 9 steps. This is the number 9 that I use as a step, as a frequency, as stargate, because the spiral, it's the number 9. And it's number that encompasses all numbers, all elements, all experience. And it's opportunity to access a deeper intimacy with ourselves. September 3rd to September 9th, this was the Stargate, where we went and I had an opportunity to experience our love stories one by one. Each story was the story of us, so we can today fully integrate and shift the gear. Shift the gear, what love is, what intimacy it is, what is to stay and hold the space, first for yourself and then for another human being, to hold the gaze and not judging their darkness, but illuminating, inspiring. So it's a day of celebration where we are acknowledging our own journey. There's no mistakes. Everything is designed by a higher intelligence, the power that brought us here, equipped us with all the tools we need. And one by one, we are entering a new space of being, a new way of being. And this is the relationship between you and you. Ask yourself today, how do I think about myself? How do I feel about myself? How do I act? And how do I experience? This is the little formula that I give you in your activation. And it's today, this day, it's the blueprint of the spiral activating, opening a portal. It's energetic, it's physical, it's mental, it's emotional, where we have opportunity to put together our own pieces, to collect ourselves. For all of you that have done the spiral, today is the day to sit with this. Take a few moments, take 9 minutes, and make the spiral breath in, where you collect all your lost parts, parts that you deny, everything that you look down. It's time to bring it into your heart. Everything that you look up, the authorities, it's time to bring them back home. So we collect, breath in, we collect everything, emotions, experience, people, events, and we hold it in the furnace of our own heart, in the middle, in the center of our own spiral. And we put fire. And this is the alchemical process. And how we extract the essence through the raw experience that life has given us. We take all this raw, I will use strong words here, horrific, tragic experience. You take them and you put them in the furnace in your heart, put them hermetically sealed. This is the hermetics knowledge. And then drop by drop, you start to extract your essence, your gift to this world. And breath out, you release the light. So it's everything, it's turned upside down. It's a mirror reality. So we breathe in all the darkness that we came here to transform. You breathe in darkness. You purify it through your heart. And then you breathe out the light that you came here to spread.